How to buy crypto step by step, safely and legally in UK. Thinking of buying crypto, but don't know where to start? You're not alone. In 2025, millions of UK investors are joining the crypto space, but many still get stuck at step 1. In this beginner-friendly guide, you'll learn how to buy crypto from the UK, which platforms are safest, what wallets to use, and how to protect yourself from scams. We'll break everything down step by step, no jargon, no hype, just clarity. Let's get started. Disclaimer: crypto assets are high risk and not regulated in the UK. You could lose all the money you invest. There is no consumer protection. This content is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Setting the groundwork. First things first, crypto isn't like stocks or savings. You're responsible for your security, not your bank. Before buying anything, understand these basics. Crypto is volatile. Prices can swing fast. Scams are real. That's why we always say, start small. Learn before you earn. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, let's walk through the steps to buy your first crypto. Choose a regulated exchange. Your first decision: where to buy. In the UK, you should only use FCA-registered platforms. Some popular, legal UK exchanges include Coinbase UK, Kraken, eToro, Bitstamp, Gemini UK. These are regulated and follow Know Your Customer (KYC) rules. Avoid anonymous platforms. They may seem easy, but they put your money at risk. For most beginners, Coinbase or eToro offer the smoothest experience. Create your account. Head to the exchange website or app. Let's use Coinbase UK as an example. Click Sign Up and enter your name, email address, strong password. You'll need to confirm your identity. Upload a valid photo ID, passport or UK driving license. You may also need to take a selfie. Verify your phone number. This is part of FCA compliance. It helps stop fraud and protect you. Once verified, you're ready to start buying. Add funds. Now it's time to fund your account. Most UK exchanges support bank transfer, faster payments, debit card, Apple Pay/Google Pay. Bank transfers are usually fee-free and quick. Card payments are faster but may come with higher fees, 1.49% plus. Choose the option that suits your comfort and budget. Choose your first coin. You've added funds, now what should you buy? For beginners, stick to the most trusted coins. Bitcoin, BTC. Ethereum, ETH. Solana, SOL. Chainlink, Link. These have large communities and long track records. Avoid hype coins, microcaps, or TikTok pics, at least until you understand the space. You can always learn and diversify later. Placing your first order. On your exchange dashboard, search for the coin you want, e.g., Bitcoin. Click Buy and enter the amount in GBP. You can start with as little as £5 or £10. Confirm the purchase. The crypto will appear in your exchange wallet. Congratulations, you now own crypto. Understanding your wallet. But wait, what's a wallet? A wallet is where your crypto is stored. There are two types. Hot wallets, connected to the internet. Cold wallets, offline and safer from hacks. When you leave crypto on an exchange, it's stored in their hot wallet. This is fine for small amounts. But if you're investing long-term, consider a private wallet. That brings us to the next step. Move your crypto to a wallet. Popular wallets in the UK include Trust Wallet, mobile. Exodus, desktop/mobile. Ledger, hardware wallet. To transfer, open your wallet and find your receive address. Go to your exchange and click Send. Paste your wallet address and confirm the amount. Triple check the address. If you send it wrong, the crypto is gone forever. Most transfers take under 15 minutes. Some fees may apply. Now, your crypto is under your control, not the exchange's. Securing your wallet. When setting up your wallet, you'll receive a 12 or 24-word recovery phrase. Write it down. Store it somewhere safe, not online. If you lose it, your wallet can't be recovered. Never share this phrase with anyone. Not support teams. Not friends. No one. Staying safe and legal, always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Use regulated exchanges and never click on random crypto ads or giveaways. In the UK, crypto gains are taxed under capital gains tax rules. If you earn profits, you may need to report it to HMRC. Keep track of all your transactions. Tools like Coinly or CoinTracker help. And finally, don't chase hype. Build knowledge, move slowly, and stay secure.